Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again today. The 912 engine out non-scientific fuel testing that I've been doing, I figured the third one was going to be the end of it. But now I've got a comment on here that I thought was pretty interesting. So it says on here, something to consider. There are videos of other YouTubers testing the Myst Funnel. It works fine to separate pure gasoline, non-ethanol, so in other words, neat fuel, and water. However, when there is ethanol gas with water in phase separation, it goes through the funnel. So basically, if you use ethanol gas, the funnel won't do anything for you. Well, isn't that an interesting statement? So I had transferred the fuel from the original container into the clear ones that I had, just using a regular funnel. Just I didn't want to separate anything out. And then that reminded me, well, I never did put this through a funnel anyway. So let's see what happens. So I have the sample here of what I called if you remember, the completely saturated ethanol part of the fuel. And here's the extra water that wouldn't fit in it. And I got my Myst Funnel. I bought a green one this time because when I put it down, it's easier to find. And I have an empty jar. So let me reposition this. Here we are back. So here's my Myst Funnel. And this is, let's see, will it fit through or not? Oh, spilled a little bit. And wow, there you go. That is, I'm pretty surprised that actually that much of it went through there. Now there is a bunch remaining in here that did not go through. And I think this really is going to deal with the fact that I said before that if you have water in the funnel after you buy your fresh gas, there's an issue there. So this much is water. So let me move this again. Well, I'm pretty surprised. I didn't expect that much would go through the Myst Funnel. It did separate out this part, which would have been an indication to me that it's got way too much water in it. So again, not scientific at all, but I definitely am surprised. Now, there is also a comment from the same person, and it says, I sell gas for a living and have for 20 years. We regularly sample and lab test our gas. Nice to know, isn't it? The color and clarity doesn't really tell you anything about its quality. It's different from different refineries. Some will be more yellowish or cloudy than others. The only way to test it for quality is to send it to a lab. That would be really nice. Didn't know that was a thing. Again, I'm not doing this scientifically. I can't really see myself buying 50 liters of car gas for my E10 car gas for my airplane and then sending a sample away to someplace who knows where. And if you do know where, or you know anything about this, or actually if you send me a comment and just follow up on, where do you send it, how much does it cost, etc., how much do you need to send. But I'm not ready to buy 50 liters of fuel and then go send a sample away and wait. I'm still going to, and as I said, backed away from this, unless it has an extreme amount of water in it, which it does work for that, and continue to use my ethanol tester where I can actually see the fuel. For me, I buy my 87 gas for my 582 87 E10 at the exact same place. And for the last hundreds of liters, the 87 is clear. So I have for me, I have an indication of what I consider to be normal or the usual appearance for it. And if I get some and test it, yeah, I want to know how much ethanol is in it. It's typically only 5% for whatever reason from this place that I buy it from. But if all of a sudden I see a sample that looks cloudy, it looks different, there's something not right with it. So that would be my non-scientific test for the fuel. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. It was interesting. I was going to just reply by email or reply actually through the YouTube, and I went, no way, let's do video on this and try it, because who knows what we're going to find out, and you saw it for yourself. So thanks so much for tuning in today. Like, share, subscribe. If you like this, smack the like button. Apparently that's good for YouTube. Talk to you later. Thanks now. Bye.